These Cherry Jordan 12s are gonna be a huge problem. What's good, family? So the pack has officially touched down. In this box, I probably got one of the best sneakers releasing this year. We've been waiting for these to release since 2009. Luckily, I was able to pick them up early so I could do a review for y'all, and I got them for retail, so I don't want to waste too much time. If y'all end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Let's see if we can get this shit to 100 likes. Subscribe to the channel. We're on road to 22K. Hopefully we could hit 23K by the end of the year. I know we got this, bro. Go down there, subscribe, leave a like. I'm gonna show y'all these kicks. I actually got a package from Supreme. Might as well go through that as well. But let's open these. Low key, these shipped out a couple days ago and I got them within a couple days. So shout out to Nike for that. Expedited shipping type shit. If y'all see the box, you already know what these are. Got them in a size 10, which is my true size. OG Jordan 12 box. Salmon pink, almost like a recycled paper type paper. Open that other flap. Cherry 12s are in the building officially. I've been waiting for these ever since I was about to get into high school, and I'm gonna pull them out. Low-key, I'm hella excited to get these. We officially have the Jordan 12 Cherries in the stew. This is a sneaker that I've been waiting on, bro. I've been talking about them for years, wishing that JB would finally bring these back. I know I'm not the only one because those resale prices are holding on tight, bro.
Nope.
I want to know what you guys think these are gonna do. I don't really care if they resell or not, honestly, but it just shows the type of demand the Cherry 12s have. This is a quick early look. I am gonna throw these on feet and do a full review for y'all. That's coming soon, but obviously all the little details that you could expect on the Jordan 12 is on these. Off of first impressions, the leather is buttery, no imperfections on my pair. It's just looking great, and if I'm being honest, this might make it to top 5 sneaker releases of the year in my opinion. Obviously this varies depending on who you are. For me, 12s are the shit, so they'll definitely make it in my top 5, if not definitely top 10. I now have the playoffs, flu games from 09 if I'm not mistaken, the suede pair, Nubucks, which is probably my favorite pair of 12s. We need a retro of these because the plastic is cracking at this point. And now we got the cherries, which I'm gassed about. 2-3 on the tongue, Jumpman at the top, quality inspired by the greatest player ever on the back, 23. These are actually sexy, especially with the quality and materials they put on them. This Jordan 12 Cherry is gonna be a problem come release date. There's a lot of OG sneakerheads that are waiting for these ever since 2009. It's been 14 years and a lot of us have actually been praying that Jordan brand brings these back. All I need now is taxis, Nubucks. If they were to bring back the flu games with the suede, which I doubt will happen, I would love that. These Cherry Jordan 12s are gonna be a huge problem. Do y'all think the Cherry 12s are actually gonna sell out? Let me know in the comments. For me, is a hard yes. I'm excited to officially do a top 10 sneakers of the year this year. It's my first official year where I'm pumping out sneaker content left and right. Y'all know I used to do Supreme full time basically, and now I kind of transitioned to do what I love most, which is sneakers. And if I'm being honest, I did it at a perfect time. We've been getting a ton of crazy releases. Jordan brand's been killing it with the retros. We got playoff 8s, 12s, reimagined 3s. We got royal reimagines coming, Thunders this year. It's been a great year for sneakers, at least in my opinion. Let me know in the comments below how you feel. These are gonna release October 28th at a retail of $210. If you guys have been debating on buying these, please don't sleep because you're gonna regret it. I definitely feel like these are gonna sell out just like the playoffs did, and the materials that they put on these are nothing to play with. These actually have amazing leather. I'm glad I got a good pair. I don't know if it's just my pair, but a lot of people are saying that they come with good materials, and I can attest to that. It's definitely pretty solid. This might be an unpopular opinion, but Jordan 12s are a top 5 Jordan model, maybe even top 3. I know that might be pushing it because I love 3s, I love 4s, I love 1s. This might be number 4 as far as Jordan models. I just love that shape, that view from the top. It was one of my first pairs when I was a kid, so there's just a bunch of different nostalgic elements elements to the Jordan 12 as far as I go, at least. Let me know where you guys would rank this model. Like I said, for me, it probably would lay at the number 4th spot. I'm super excited to have these in the collection. I don't know if y'all could tell, but the fact that I got them for retail makes them that much better. Expect a full review for these in the next coming days. I'm gonna try to work on it. I am going on vacation again, probably when y'all are watching this video. So hopefully by then I have this video finished and ready to upload in the next few days. Make sure y'all subscribe with post notifications on. Those first few hours that a video is posted on YouTube are vital. So it would definitely mean a lot if y'all showed love at the very beginning. But I'm going off on a tangent. These are a banger, bro. Please don't sleep. If you've been waiting for these, don't be like, I'll be able to get them later on and shit like that, because no, you won't, bro. Chances are we let the releases pass and then time goes on. That's just the way life is. This is not one of those pairs. Like, if I didn't get these for retail, this is one of those that I definitely would pay the resale price for. We know what they did this time where we had to wait 14 years, bro. These shits are gonna retro in like 2033, bro. Like, get these if you need them. I'm not trying to push y'all to spend money, but if there is a pair that I would recommend, these right here, bro. Sexy, nostalgia, all of it is in the Jordan 12 cherries. I love these, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Not a lot of sneakers get me this hyped right here, but this is one of those that does it for me. Kind of like what the Jordan 8 playoffs did. I never had any 8s, especially being able to get the playoffs just made it that much more special to me. I love 12s. The cherries, beautiful, bro. That's pretty much it for the early look on the Jordan 12s. We'll go over all the little details real soon, so stay tuned. I did also get this pickup from Supreme recently. Low-key, I copped this the same day I picked up the 12s on sneakers, if y'all saw the live cop, so might as well open it together. Bing. I haven't got Supreme in a couple weeks at this point, maybe even like a month, bro. Take that out. Boom, you already see the vibes. Regular Supreme BOGO, they ain't even throwing 2. Normally we get 2 BOGOs, bro. Supreme deadass was never the same. It's kind of crazy. Regardless, we picked up the Jesus piece. I went with the 7/3/8, and low-key I'm kind of sketched out because I forgot what my size was for a second. I either go 7/3/8 or 7.5. Hopefully this one fits me. You got that Supreme Jesus piece on the side, box logo on the back, obviously New Era S logo. I don't have any hats in this olive color. I low-key wanted to get this color to match it with the pair of sneakers that I recently bought. Some of y'all may know, but some may not. Obviously we gotta curve the brim and shit. Okay, it's fitting. That's all we need, bro. Yeah, it fits. We good. Whoo! I was low-key stressed. Look at this shit. This fit go crazy, bro. Once I curve the brim on this, A1. I'm not even gonna lie. A1. This shit is hard. I'm so glad I didn't sleep on this one. I would have regretted it, bro. Just like y'all would regret not picking these up. I'm trying to tell you, these take me back to when I was in middle school, going to Modell's. That Modell sneaker smell, bro. Slight bars. I can't compare it to anything else. That pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed this one, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what other type of content you would like to see coming soon. A bunch of early looks and reviews on the way, so make sure you subscribe. We're on road to 30K, about to hit 22 soon. I appreciate all the love y'all been showing. Let me know in the comments what you guys rate these Cherry 12s. 1 out of 10. For me, this is a solid 9.5. Damn near 10, bro. The perfect shoe. I was expecting great quality and I got great quality, so A1 for Jordan brand, at least on my pair. Let me know if y'all copped or you're expecting to pick these up next week. But all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in one of these 2 videos, bro, because you might as well check out these 2 videos that YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your history. But all that being said, have a great rest of your day, night, morning, evening, night, whenever you're watching. I love y'all for life, and I'm gonna catch you in one of these 2 videos. Peace.